What's going on, guys? Here I have a BMW Key Fob and I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. It's an extremely easy process. You do not need to go to the dealer. So on the left side of the key fob, we're just going to press in on this button. We're going to slide the key out, and on the bottom side we'll see a little plastic notch. We're going to grab a flathead screwdriver and pry up on this little notch. You do want to use a small flathead screwdriver, and I'll leave a link down below to the tools and the batteries. The cover pops right off and we're greeted with a CR2032 battery. We can grab that flathead again and simply pry up, and that battery pops right out. So again, I'll leave a link down below to this exact battery, but to reinstall it, we insert it from this side first, and then we just push it right into place. For the plastic cover, we want to reinsert this end first with these two notches, and that just snaps right back into place. We reinsert that key, and we're good to go. Again, all we used was this mini flathead screwdriver, guys. So I'll link below the battery and the tools, and if you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down below. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys thought of this battery changing process, and check out my channel for more car videos, especially a BMW G20, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.